Hi everyone, I'm Jerry, and I was just sent this, which is a boneless chair. Now, boneless furniture anymore, all the rage. Everybody's getting these. It's like a bed in the box, but furniture in the box. Came in a nice box, but also came in a nice tube. Keeps everything nice and compact. But once we get this thing out of here, as you'll quickly see, this is your chair. It is just this little flat chair. It's going to expand out to 42 inches wide and over 25 inches high. You got to be careful not to actually cut said chair, but we're going to watch this thing plump up here with this high density compressed foam. And I'm going to get it pulled out of the bag. It's already plumping way up here. We'll get this thing pulled out of here, and it does have a pillow as well, which again, when this stuff is, you saw how thin that was. Boy, this is some nice fabric though. So this thing is already plumping up really nice. It does have a pillow that comes with it, and the actual chair itself, really a deep seating area. This needs to sit out here to fully expand and cure for the next 48 to 72 hours. So what I'm going to do is set it up in the corner. I'm going to let it cure for the next couple of days, and then we'll have a look. So we've given it a full 72 hours, and I mean, this thing has really plumped up and solidified, which is really super cool. This is actually really solid, but it is soft, and it does have this nice kind of a corduroy fabric that's on this that is extremely soft. Nice little beaded design on here. This top part has a nice soft cushion that is even a separate cushion from the base, which kind of gives it some squishiness, yet some softness. The pillow on the back has plumped up quite well. And again, these all have zippers that you can take this cover off, which is nice as well. Very deep seating on this. And when you sit down on it, it actually is really comfortable. Very nice arms. Very wide seat, very deep seat, so it gives plenty of room all the way out through your thighs on this, which is nice. Really soft fabric. This fabric is extremely soft, very comfortable, and it should continue to maintain its shape for many years to come.